Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Man, my Roth IRA is performing really, really well right now. I'm quite happy with the overall performance of this portfolio. So today, I'm going to take you into my brokerage account, show you what I have, how it's been performing, and give you guys an update as far as my Roth IRA retirement account goes. So if you're new here, right, I have several different investment accounts, but this is just one, and I just moved it over here on this channel so that way I can separate the journey and it's easier to document without confusing people. But if you want to see my other portfolios, you can check out my other channel. I'll put the link below. But anyway, let's dive into the phone here. I'll show you my brokerage account. Then I'm going to take you behind the scenes into the spreadsheet and share with you the overall performance and how this thing has been doing. So let me record the screen on my phone. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, this Roth IRA account is in Charles Schwab. I'll refresh it for you. This is Sunday at 2:15 in the afternoon here in China. So, of course, the market's closed because it's Sunday, right? But you can see my account on Friday, we closed at 0.62%. Anyway, this account is valued at $61,145 right now. And I've got $26,263 in cash and cash investments. And let me show you what these positions are. Then we'll look at the overall performance later in the spreadsheet. It's a little bit more detailed. Right now, I've got 70 shares of Rigetti. I had 100, and I sold the 30 shares off to get my initial investment back. So this is all house money now. And yeah, it's up like 200 something percent. Soundhound, same thing. I had 100 shares of this, and I sold off the 56 shares or whatever so I could get my initial investment back, because I don't think these were going to keep going up as forever. So I'll get my money back and just house money now again on this one. Again, I'll show you the spreadsheet in a minute. The next one I have is WPay, WPAY. This is like if you're not familiar with this one, you might be, but it's just like a basket of leveraged stocks. And it basically holds the Mag 7 plus a few extra stocks as well. I won't get into the details in this video, but I'll make another video about it and share with you what's in there maybe. But this one has exposure to growth via the leveraged stocks, but it also pays income each and every single week. So that's why I like this one. And then below that, you can see SCHG. You can see this is Schwab's U.S. large cap growth. This one, 310 shares. And I have SCHB, which is basically the entire stock market. It's similar to Vanguard's VTI or something like that. But it's just Schwab's version. So anyway, below that, I've got SWVXX. This is just a money market fund. It's like $1 all the time, but it's like a 4% annualized yield, but it pays every month. So this is just a place to park some cash and earn a little bit of interest on my cash. And then below that, I've got $16,200 in actual cash that I can just deploy into the market right now. And I'm just kind of looking for a really good opportunity to do that. But I've been hesitant because the market's been really volatile. It's been at all-time highs and drops down and up and down. And I'm just kind of waiting for it to settle down and choose a direction before I deploy this money. And also, lastly, this month, I did finish my Roth IRA investment. And when I say finish it, I mean like I maxed it out. I can't put any more money in this account until January of 2026. So I've reached my $7,000 deposit limit for the year. So now that you know all that, this chair is noisy. Now that you know all that, let me take you into the spreadsheet in the computer and show with you how these are performing, and if I have any thoughts that come into mind other than the stuff I'm about to share with you. I don't know. Sometimes stuff just pops up. None of this stuff is like scripted, man. So anyway, 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. Here we are in my spreadsheet. If you look on the left here, you can see these are all the things that I just showed you that's in the portfolio. And then here on the yellow and the right here, these are the number of shares, everything that I just showed you. And this is my cost average, which I didn't show you that, but you can see it here. But really, my cost average is kind of irrelevant to you. Like, it doesn't really matter what I bought the stuff at. It matters what you buy it at, right? So, I'm not going to spend too much time there. The share price, you can see the day change. Just has everything in here. 52-week low, high, the range. And this is what I want to share with you guys is the actual returns. And so let me get it all on the screen so you can see it. Okay, so here we are at the very top. RGTI, you can see a total return of 220%. So this one's doing really well. The reason why this is different than the market return is because I did sell some cash secured puts and cover calls back when I had, enough shares to do that. And so I earned some income there, which made the total return slightly higher than the market return. WPay, this is a brand new position for me. So this is like literally brand new. It hasn't had time to do much yet. And I believe it would do good. It just needs a little bit of time. But you can see the market return is slightly down, but the total return is up 2.55%. Now, the reason why I chose this income play inside of a Roth IRA, two reasons. Number one, this one is not captured the upside like a traditional covered call fund. So this can actually grow and grow along with the portfolio as the portfolio grows. Also, it pays each and every single week. So once I've maxed out my investment like I just have for the year, I still have something that's paying me income, so I can still use that income to buy more stuff. So that's what I like about it. Once all my money's spent, I still have money coming in that I can use to buy stuff to average down or get buying opportunities and something like that, right? So I like that for that reason. The next one, SCHB. You can see here, total return 9.65%, doing pretty well. SCHG, this one here, you can see we're up 10.9% on the total return. And then I have the Soundhound. So this Soundhound and Rigetti, these are just like speculative, like lottery ticket type plays that I had, just to have a little bit of fun instead of not be so boring inside of a Roth IRA. And this one's up 90.4%. Not 94%, but 90.4% or 90.5% or something like that. So anyway, you can see the total return column. Everything is really, really good here. No complaints there whatsoever. Lastly, I'll share with you guys my allocation. You can see Rigetti is 4.4%, Soundhound 1.29%. Then the next one here, we got 19% into WPay, 15.5 in SHB, and 16.5 in SHG. So these two market-based funds right here, this is the 15.5. This is the overall market, the broad market, and this is the big cap growth. So if we're talking Nvidia and stuff like that. So these two right here, you can see they're like 30% combined, like 30% of the portfolio. So I would like to get this higher. Maybe because right now I have a large cash position also. So that's why, if I deploy that cash, this is going to change probably. But right now I got like 30% into the market, 20%, almost 20% into WPay, which is kind of like I said, like Max 7. So, it's like 50%, and I have almost 20% in cash. So once I get that money into the market, I want to get it into this broad market, SCHB, SHG, and WPay, spread it out between those three probably. So that's what's going on there. And that's my Roth IRA. And these empty slots here are things where I had stuff here that I didn't like, and I sold it, and I just didn't buy anything else yet. So yeah, that's my Roth IRA. That's what we got going on there. Lastly, I'll share with you guys the dividend log. Really quick, this is the month of October. You can see WPay has paid me $381, and I'm going to get one more payment from them on Wednesday. So this is going to be close to $500 a month in income that I get, that I can actually spend each and every month on buying more stocks to grow the portfolio. So I'm looking forward to this new addition of income. So if you look over here to the far right, so far $381 for the month, maybe $500 this month. These other ones, you see these numbers are quite big over here. This is I had some high yield, like super high yield, like yield max stuff here, but I decided it just wasn't doing well for me. The initial capital was eroding. It started to erode. I was making money because I was reinvesting all of it, but then it started to really drop, and I was afraid, based on my experience with yield max in my regular portfolios, how my money started to disappear and the total return started to drop, because I was up really high on total returns, and they start dropping and dropping and dropping. And so I said, no, I'm gonna get out of these in my Roth IRA, because I want this thing to grow, not pay a bunch of income and deplete my capital. So I'm 44. I can't touch this till I'm 59 and a half. So I don't need that income in this portfolio other than just a little bit to buy some stuff. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. That's my thoughts on that. Come join us in the Discord. It's free. Lots of people over there talk about investing, living abroad, because I'm a nomad, and other stuff like health and fitness and things like that. So come join us. It's free. I'll put a link below, and check out my other channel if you want to see my other portfolios, my regular portfolios that provide income for me to actually live here in Asia. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take care.